car doesn't need to be on for this, so I'll just turn it off and open the boot. Open the hood, I meant to say. Alright, so this is what we're doing today. I may have already known from the title, but maybe not. But anyway, yeah. Black kidney grills. Should look really nice. Give the car a nice modern look. Alright, here's the other set. Let's get to it. Alright, what is up guys? So I figured I'd just explain what I am doing in these sped up clips. Here I am just gathering what I needed for the job. Anything I use in this video you can probably buy for about £35 or less from Amazon or wherever you want to buy them from. The grills, they're about £80 I think from Carbon Factory, so yeah, not too bad at all. Anyway, so I head to the front of the car with a screwdriver, and a T30 bit is what you need to be able to unscrew these 4 screws at the front of the bumper right here. Anyway, yeah, so as I'm doing this, I'll just explain like the results of the last video. There wasn't really nothing to report, like there was just a minor oil leak at the engine area, bay area, whatever, which I'll get that sorted out soon enough. Okay, but anyway, yeah, here I am just removing out the 4 screws, put them somewhere else so you won't lose them, and then yeah, you move on to the next part. So if I remember, you just stick your hand in there. How do you do this again? I think you have to literally put your hand in and feel. Well, this is what YouTube is for. I literally had to watch a YouTube video on how to actually replace the grills, which is crazy. I mean, I had to, because this was turning into like an hour long job, which was, it was not supposed to be that long. It only supposed to take me about 30 minutes to remove the grills and to put the new grills in. Should have only taken me 30 minutes, but nope, it was taking me very long. Anyway, yeah, here I am just managing to remove out one of the grills. But yeah, you need a pry tool. I forgot to explain that you need the pry tool to actually, pinch them and be able to pull the grill out. Yeah. Alright, so putting in the new grills, they are easy. They're probably the easiest part. Taking them out is the hardest, putting them in is the easiest. So what you have to do, literally, is just push them in. You'll hear a clicking sound, and then you know that they're securely, in place. They won't fall out or anything like that. So that is it. Anyway, after you've done that, you just you screw back in the 4 bolts, and then yeah, you're good to go. Close the hood, and that is done. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me struggle. trying to replace these grills. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.